Hello guys, it's your guy Dinayon Sono. Today we are going to study how to trade successfully synthetical indices. You know, when you come on this market, don't be greedy. No, you come here with an objective and once this objective achieves, you have to leave immediately the market. Once again, welcome and we start. What are the materials? What are the materials you need to trade successfully? Okay, synthetical indices. And when we talk about synthetical indices, okay, please here we have boom and the crash. Okay, 1000 boom and the crash and the 500 boom and the crash. We have also volatilities, okay, 75, 110, so on, and the stepper index. Okay, thank you very much. Now, the materials you need to trade successfully these synthetical indices. First one is what we call the smartphone. You have to get a smartphone. You have to get a personal computer, connections, and a minimum capital. I mean, minimum capital of $50. Very important. Minimum capital, okay, of $50. And when you put or when you use when you take into account all our strategies, all our skills, okay, you can get or you can earn daily, okay, at least 10, 20, 30, 50 or more than 50, so you can double, you can increase, okay, your capital. Very important. But now, what is the indicator? What is the indicator we use to trade? We use to trade successfully, okay? Boom and the crash. I mean, boom and the crash. What is the indicator? Just one indicator, please. Just one indicator. Let me show you this indicator. Let me show you this indicator. I mean, strength relative index. What I mean, please, guys. Relative strength index. Okay, relative strength index. Let me show it here. Show it here. This one. Relative strength index. Okay, so you can get it through here. These okay indicators here. Don't forget relative strength index is an oscillator. Okay, you can get it here. Oscillator, please here, and charge it or on the download it. You understand? Thank you very much. You take the different level, okay, the different level, 30, 70, 70, what 70, please, 50, and 0. You understand? We talk about the main point which can help you to take a position, Thank you. Sell or buy, and you okay, and you download it. You download it here. Okay, you just accept it. You just accept it by saying okay. Good. So here, how to proceed? How to proceed to kill, crash, to kill, boom. You take just into account. Okay, you do your analysis. Taking into account. Okay, only the RSI, okay, I mean a relative strength indices space into account. This area, okay, this space, okay, and you take into account the spike. You take into account just the spike, okay. At least you take just into account here it is a branch, right? So you take into account this level, okay? It is what we call, pay attention to this point, 70. It is a main point which can help you to take a position. Very important to take position, okay? To take position while when we are on a crutch, okay? When we are on a crutch, and okay, not only 70 point, 70 point or 70 level, also 30, pay attention, we'll come back on it. Or if you need to take our training, contact me immediately. But don't forget, today we have other materials. Which can help us to trade successfully, okay, synthetical indices, especially what we call artificial intelligence. Intelligence, please. And here we can see one of our robots. Okay, our robot. It show you when go. Okay, when go on the market. Okay, when leave the market. So on and so forth. Okay, contact me immediately, please, to take your robot, to take this artificial intelligence. It will help you to trade successfully, apart the fact that you can study, okay, the market alone. Okay, this artificial intelligence can help you, okay, to deepen your level, or to be branchable, more branchable. You understand, more branchable. Thank you very, very, very much. This is your guys, Daniel Sono. Share this video to help your friends to be a part from today, okay, branchable on synthetical indices market. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.